Now, the second topic in chapter number 10, reflection and refraction of light, is explain the different terms in the mirror like pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, focal length, principal focus, and focal plane. So, first of all, we will start from pole. The midpoint of reflecting surface of mirror is called its pole. Second point is center of curvature. It is denoted by C, capital C, center of curvature. The center of spherical glass from which mirror is formed is called center of curvature. That is spherical glass. Its center is known as center of curvature. Now, third point, principal axis. A horizontal line or line passing through the center of curvature C and through the pole of mirror is called principal axis. Next point is radius of curvature. It is denoted by capital R. Radius of a glass sphere from which the mirror is formed. The mirror is formed is called radius of curvature. Or the second way to define the radius of curvature is distance between center of curvature C to the pole of a mirror is called radius of curvature R. Next point, principal focus, capital F. A fixed point. Remember, which point? A fixed point on principal axis a fixed point on a principal axis and the light rays parallel to the principal axis after getting reflected from mirror intersect each other at that fixed point is called principal focus. Again, I am repeating the definition. A fixed point on principal axis and the light rays parallel to the principal axis after getting reflected from mirror intersect each other at that fixed point is called principal focus, and it is denoted by capital F. We will draw the diagram of a mirror which including all the respective points like pole, principal axis, radius of curvature, principal focus, center of curvature in next video. But till we have to understand the different points, and the next point is focal length. It is denoted by small f. Remember, principal focus is capital F, but focal length is denoted by small f. Distance between principal focus to the pole of mirror is called focal length, small f. That's it.